Hello everyone, this is Tanuja Pradhan. A warm welcome to all of you on my food channel, Sunshine Flavors. Today we will be making banana milk, or what we famously call in Maharashtra as Keliche Shikran. This has been my favorite dish since childhood and I would love to share it with you. This healthy 5-minute recipe makes a sumptuous meal. So let's quickly get down to the recipe. Take 2 fairly ripe bananas and peel off their skin. Remove the bottom ends and threads if any. Take a bowl, cut the bananas in big chunks. Mash them with a fork or a potato masher. Mash it properly to make a paste, or you can even leave a few chunks in that. Add 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar according to your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it properly to ensure that the sugar gets dissolved. Add 1 cup of milk to it. Mix it well. Banana milk or Keliche Shikran is ready. For those of you who are not from Maharashtra, Keri means bananas in Marathi. Whether you call it Keliche Shikran or banana milk or banana milkshake, it doesn't matter. All I know is when I'm really hungry and I don't have time on hand, I can make this literally in 5 minutes. If you've liked this video, do subscribe to my food channel Sunshine Flavors and click on the bell icon to get further notifications. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video and do check out the other videos on this channel. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy.